Good morning, student. Now in this lecture, we are going to store our module or register our module with the site package of your Python library. Now for to register or to copy our module in our site package, first of all we have to find out the path of our Python file where is the Python is installed. Now to find out the path, first of all we have to print the path. Import system sys print sys.path. By using this statement we can get a Python path of Python file where Python is installed. You can see that Python is installed in C drive user app data local program Python 38 lib site package. We have to move to this folder within this site package. Now copy this address, copy this path, and we are going to open the location of this file. First of all, here and paste the path and press enter. Now you can see that your site package is open. Now again we are going to find out the our module where it is saved. Now first of all, come to our folder where we have installed a file. You can see that PyModule 1. Now we are going to copy this and we are going to paste it in site package. Here we are going to paste it. Now paste this module. We can see that PyModule 1 is pasted here. Now we can call this module in anywhere in our program. If we are going to take a new file, now we are going to import PyLibModule1. Now PyLibModule1 dot will is the function defined in this module. If you have remember in our previous class, we have defined the a function when. Here we are going to pass any name or any digit we can pass here. Now we are going to save this file. You can save this file anywhere. Module.py. Now just save this program and run the. You can see that the output is welcome to Python library page. So we can imported our module and we have registered with our site package. First of all, I am going to repeat this once. सबसे पहले हम इंपोर्ट सिस्टम को इंपोर्ट करेंगे. यहाँ से हम पाथ को फाइंड आउट करेंगे. पाइथन हमारा कहाँ पे इंस्टॉल है. ये हमारा पाइथन का पाथ आ गया. वी हैव टू कॉपी दिस पाथ एंड वी हैव टू ओपन दिस लोकेशन. इस लोकेशन पे हम क्या करेंगे, अपने बनाए हुए मॉड्यूल को यहाँ साइट पैकेज फोल्डर में पेस्ट करेंगे. पेस्ट करने के बाद अब इस मॉड्यूल को हम कहीं भी अपने किसी भी फाइल में प्रोग्राम में कॉल कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द वे टू register the module with the site package of Python. Now if we are going to create package, then first of all we have to create a folder. Now if we are going to find out this, now first of all we have to create a folder. Suppose that we have created a folder PyPackage. Now in this folder we have to create file init.py. We have to create a file init.py. Now we are going to save this file. Where to save? We have to save in the our created package. That means we have to create in our folder packages. You can see that packages. Here we are going to save this file init.py. This is the .py. Already we have discussed this file about in your Django project. Now we are going to save this file. So now we can define any module in our file. Suppose that now we are going to you can see that this is our init.py file has been created. Now we are going to paste our py module. कंट्रोल एक्स करेंगे, यहाँ से कट करेंगे और हम पाई मॉड्यूल को इस पैकेज के अंदर पेस्ट कर देंगे। यहाँ नया फाइल बनाकर भी सेव कर सकते हैं। तो दिस इज द वे टू क्रिएट पैकेज इन पाइथन। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू क्रिएट द init.py file and then we have created the module, and this is the way to create package in Python. And now we are going to copy this file, copy this package, and now we are going to paste it in your site package. अब यहाँ पे हम इस पैकेज को पेस्ट कर देंगे। यू कैन सी दैट हियर पेस्ट। यहाँ पे हमने पाई पैकेज को पेस्ट कर दिया है। नाउ इफ वी आर गोइंग टू रन दिस प्रोग्राम, our module is py module. Now if we have changed the name of this module and we are going to change the input, now you can see that this will work. Welcome to Python library. That is हम पैकेज भी वहाँ पे रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं और अपने मॉड्यूल को भी वहाँ पे रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं। दिस इज द वे टू क्रिएट लाइब्रेरी, यूजर डिफाइंड लाइब्रेरी इन पाइथन। I hope you have understand this concept, how to create the Python library and how to register this library with your site package. Now I hope you will get clear concept how to create the library and register with it in site package. So if any query, then you can ask. And now thank you for today.